Hi, Tolly here. Sorry I'm a little close. Anyways, I wanted to show you this. This is my storage for drills, and I have them, labeled as 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, up to 3,000. And my husband made this for me. So I keep these in here for spare drills. Oh, dusty. Wow, it's been a minute since I've been over here. Anyways, hang on. I don't like dust like that. No. That was easy enough to do. Sorry for dusting. Anyways, what I'm going to do is I want to show you these drills right here that came from my, what do you want to call it? The ad event calendar for Add More Zest. These are sorry. Oh my gosh. My bad. It's actually for the temperature chart. I'm not using these extra ones, the C4, 2D, 2Bs, whatever. I'm using ABs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these and I'm going to put them in here because they're square drills and they'll be perfect for being in here, and I have a place to store them for future use. So I wanted to show you that. So what I'm going to do is I will be right back. Okay, now I wanted to show you that so I can show you this view that I'm going to go ahead and pull out the bags I need. So we're going to lay these out like this. It's kind of looking like 900, 700s, 3000s, 900s again, 700s. Okay, so I definitely need 900s and 700s. 37, 33. Those ones I'll get to in a minute. Here's 600s. And so let's do 700s and 900s first. That seems to be the consensus on that one. Alright, so here's 700s. Here's 900. And then I know it was 3300, which is this one right here, for sure. Was it 33 and 37? Oh man, I don't know. Let's get 3700 out. Don't flip over. They're flipping over. That's all right. Alright, so here, this is the start. Oh. Okay. Oh. Let me get up here. Alright, we're going to bring you down just a hair so you can see what I'm doing. Let me get my scissors. Now, this isn't a, what do you want to call it? I don't know. Wow, there's a lot of 900s in there. I didn't realize there was so many in there. I might have to go to a second bag. Anyways, I bought the bags off of Amazon, and I did these myself by using a special tool that I got off of Amazon too. So, and I don't know if you like the nails or not, but I've got two different kinds. I got like a chrome and like a eyeshadow on this hand. Just, I'm doing something different. I put a little bit of glitter on that. I don't know if I like them or not yet. Yeah, if you want to leave a comment if you like them or not, that's cool. If not, I'll get it. No, my cat wants in. What do you want? 700, 700, 600. I'm just gonna leave them like this. All blue. All green. Oh, yep. I think my husband's home. Okay, I hear something. Alright, now let's find some more 700s. Those are 600, 900s. Here's some more 700s. Yeah, there's no way to do like 750, 760, it's just not, there's no room. see here. Let's see, that's out. From here to here. Oh, gut's not feeling too good, folks, today, so just bear with me here. 3,000, or 33, 37, 600, 900, 38, 900. 600. Okay. Let's see what this is. These are all 100s. These are 37, 37. 5. They gave you 5 of those. Wow. 33. They only gave you 2 of those. Oh, wait, they're over here. Okay. So they gave you 5 of those. Just don't mind me. 5 of those. Okay. So they give you 5 of those. They only give you 4 of these. 5 of these. 5 of these. Are these the 2s? So these are all 2s. 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D. But they only gave you 4 of those. Interesting. Very, very interesting. So these are all 900. Alright, so let's get the 700s in here. And that takes care of the 700s. And then 900s right here. Let's push these up out of the way so you can... Yeah, there's a lot. These are all, you know, art dot, and they're also all acrylic. So I'm just letting you know. And I think these are resin, which is okay because I can tell the difference. Because that's why I left them in the packs. But they're all squared up too. There's the 900 put away. Let's see, this is 33. Yeah, 33, which there isn't very many in here. Alright. Okay, so that takes care of that. Well, and then the 3700s, be this one right here, which is these. And then we need 100s, which I'm just gonna pull you over this way so don't freak out. Whoa. And I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, grab these couple, because there's not very many here, and instead of pulling them off, I can just slide them in here. So there's the 100s. These are the 600s, which are down here. I guess I could have done it for all of them, but I wanted you guys to see what, you know. These are 38s, which are down here. Okay. And then I actually have a bag clear down here. It's for, what is it? This is special drills. And these are 5,000s, which my 5,200s need to go in there. Okay. So, let's grab 3,700, which goes over here. And all I do is use, believe it or not, these are shower curtain hooks. And they work great, if you just need to know. Okay, then, let's see here. 3,300, which is, see, 800, 900, 33, 3,000. Is it 35 or 33? I think this is 33. I don't think there's 35s. Let's see. What did I do? 33. Okay. I'm losing my mind. 33,000. So we go right here. Okay. And then 900s. It's got to go there. This is a heavy one. Okay, and then 700. This gets hooked back up. And then there. Alright, I think they're okay for now. Alright. Okay. Now, let's go back this way. Woo! Alright. Oh! Whoa. Bring it back around here. Okay, so that part's done.